this is Cheryl Traxler, and I'm from an island in Alaska, and I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. Woohoo! I'm so excited to share this with you. This is my special package bonus that I get with the Impact Mailing Club because we have a team that does this, that sends you this. This has some incredible things in here to jumpstart your Impact Mailing Club business. So that's so important. And I have 7 grandkids, and so you know why I work from home. So let's get into our package. So let's open up our package so we can see what you're going to get. It's exciting, and very important information you're going to get in here. Going to be extremely great for your business because you won't be making any mistakes that people make at all, because you're going to have what the experts have. So let's get into this right now. Look at that. All right, we are in, and I'm going to show you everything one at a time here. The very first thing you get right here is a calendar. Isn't that awesome and gorgeous? And you know what we're going to do with the calendar? We're going to go through the entire calendar for an entire year, and you will know exactly what to do for a year. Gorgeous. Look at that, gorgeous places, beautiful calendar. So you are going to be trained by experts of what you want to be on your schedule for an entire year. I mean, how incredibly gold is that? How important is that in your business to have people that make 100K and they're going to show you what to do for an entire year? So this is exciting. The calendar is very... Okay, now that we know all about our calendar, very important, we're going to go to online, offline strategies. Now that's important because you don't have to guess what to do or what will work or what won't work, and you don't have to guess how to do it or any of that, because you'll be shown exactly what to do. We will actually have over the shoulder videos that will show you exactly what to do visually. So that's pretty cool. So here's that piece, and then what to do. Don't worry, we got you covered, and here's another list of things to do. So the blueprint of what exactly you do is pretty included, and you need that, and no guessing. You know what to do. So that's awesome. And then you've got the, ooh, now this part is incredibly good. Look at all of these. This is the incredible, most sought after cover letter, actually sales letter that you mail out. This is it. And you get a lot of those in the mail so that you can have so many jumpstart to your business for the Impact Mailing Club. Because this 100K letter, we have people that make over 100K just in the first quarter using this last year. Anybody can fold up letters and stuff them in mailboxes. No big deal, right? Anybody can do this, and this is what the experts use. So can't beat that. We want that. We want what they do, what they use to make that. So this is my package. This is incredible. I've got all these cover letters, sales letters. I've got what you do, a list of what to do now, you know, and then I've got this here, exactly what you, strategies of how you do, where you go with that. We don't have just one, we have more than one. And then of course you've got your calendar, and you've got the training to walk you through it. So you know, you'll have this planned and laid out for an entire year. So there's your year. Incredible. And here is your blueprint. And then you've got your incredible sales letter, which is awesome. Can't show it to you, it's for our team. So you definitely want to get on board of our team and be part of the Impact Mailing Club and get this jump start. Join my team to get this jump start, and this will help you totally never make mistakes because you've got everything the experts do, and you can't miss on that. So I'm excited for you. I'm thankful to have you watch this video. Thanks for watching, and appreciate you, and please subscribe to my channel and go to my link and get started. You can get in at any level, so it's really, and so you can get your incredible pack in the mail. Love the calendar to know what to do every day. You don't have to guess, you just know right? So that's awesome. Love sharing that. Excited for you. Excited for 2020. Wouldn't you love to have the best year ever? You can do what you want to do anytime you want to do it. I mean, this is freeing people, getting them with their family. Here's my grandkids behind me. Well, 3 of them. I got 7, but there's 3 of them. I mean, I just love the family. It's a family business too, and we're a team, and we help each other, and that's important. So you can be with your family and go on vacations and travel. Actually, next month I'm going to Florida, so I will be enjoying some sunny weather, outdoor weather, and it'll be so nice and fun. And so what did you think of that, huh? What did you think of that bonus to get started for the Impact Mailing Club? I just wanted to say that you're consistent and you focus and you've got a calendar that tells you what to do. 365 days. That's an entire year of expert help, of being able to do and create and duplicate what those who have this incredible 100K letter are doing. So you definitely want to get involved, and then you just want to focus and commit to it. You have a team, which is incredible to have a team of people there helping each other, and all the things that go with the support is an incredible journey and important for your success in 2020, especially with that entire year laid out for you and the strategies laid out for you, and you know what to do every day will be on your calendar. I mean, you can't beat that. So I just wanted to see what you thought and comment below, and go to my link in my website and get started. Don't wait. Thanks. Bye from Alaska.